So basically I'm going to chop tips off.
You can talk anyway.
No.
Yeah. Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today we're going to be doing, well, I'm not going to be doing, it's the Ferrer family on Instagram. I'll put a link somewhere here. And she's going to be cooking today. So what have we got today then?
We are going to do a chicken and chorizo veg bed.
Right, okay.
So we normally do this meal at the end of the week when you kind of got a little bits of leftover vegetables. You kind of put it all together on a tray bake. And you got a full meal there.
So what
with a little bit of halloumi on the side as well.
So what we got here?
So we've got long stem broccoli, we've got asparagus, we've got green beans, peppers, plum, baby plum cherry tomatoes, chorizo, not spicy because Mrs. Urban doesn't like spice, and 2 packs of halloumi. And obviously we've got our chicken, which we're going to do in a turmeric and chicken stock, which I shall leave that to you.
Okay. Okay, so we'll get cracking and bring you along on this little journey. Okay, so what I've done is took the skins off the chicken. So we're just going to start these cooking. And then just get a bit of colour on them and seal them up, and then we'll show you what we're going to do after that. So we're going to add some garlic, a bit of pepper. I won't add any salt because the stock cube is salty anyway. I'll just turn these over. Got a little bit of colour on them now. Okay, so this is all nice and browned off. So I'm going to add the chicken stock and just a little bit more water to cover it. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turn it down low and let that simmer away until we're finished with it. Don't worry about the fat that's all in there because we're not going to use that because this is just for flavouring, and so we won't be using any of this stock. See you back in a minute.
So these are all going to be washed, and then we're going to put them into the pan to boil. Just going to get a fork and prick into the end bits of the asparagus, just so when we're cooking it all the flavours can go in and make it soft as well. Wash tomatoes. So for some of these I'm not going to actually cut all the way through, I'm just going to do it a little slice halfway through, just again so it lets all the juices out. Then we're going to wash our peppers and dice them up. Get nice slices and none of this membrane bit. Still need a little bit longer, so I'm just going to get on with the chorizo. These will go in first for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, because chorizo cooks quite quickly. And then we'll add it in halfway through. And you haven't got to be pretty with this either. Perfectly unperfect is the motto in our house.
Absolutely.
And some of the tomatoes we've cut halfway through just so it lets all the juices out.
I'll take it as basil.
Basil. I'm so used to doing like videos for Instagram where I don't actually talk. Oregano. Oh, it's got a shaker on it.
Yep.
And we're going to put this in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Probably about 180 degrees. See you back in a minute. I've got it on there yet. Oh my god, fucking hell. I'm going to zhuzh it up a little bit so we can add our chorizo in.
That's looking lovely.
Just mixing all those flavours. Looks a bit bland now, but once you add the chorizo you get all the oils and the flavours from the chorizo add in. It's very, very nice. Again, it ain't got to be perfect looking. Then good shuffle, and then we're going to stick that in for about another 10-15 minutes.
Bit of olive oil, low-cal cooking spray. Let's get this haloumi on. So we've got our vegetable tray bake. Looks really lovely with the chorizo and all that good stuff, tomatoes and peppers and something, some green beans and all that good stuff. We've got our chicken. It's done in chicken stock cube, garlic and turmeric. Thank you very much. And we've got some halloumi cheese that's been grilled. So we're going to do a plate up and we'll come right back. Okay, so there we go. A lovely vegetable tray bake, a chicken and a halloumi. It's all done by, well, I think I've done the chicken and the halloumi, and but the tray bake was done by the Ferreira family. It's over here, giving us a thumbs up. Nice one. And so, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.
Bye.